Hello everyone, welcome to the first section of the blockchain development course. This section is Introduction to Blockchain. In this video, we will learn about the prerequisites of learning blockchain. So before learning blockchain, there are a few concepts that you need to know, and all those concepts will be covered in this video. So let's get started. So the very first concept is the difference between these two models, which is client-server model or a peer-to-peer model. So a client-server model, you have a server in which your site is hosted. So I think all of you have used multiple applications on your mobile and visited multiple websites. Most of them are based on client-server models. So for example, Flipkart, it is having a server on which this website is hosted, and whenever a client, which can be your mobile, which can be your laptop, which can be their mobile application. So you are visiting the website using the mobile application, or you are visiting the website directly through your phone browser or the laptop browser or your computer's browser. So each of them are your clients, and the point where the website is hosted is your server. All the data shown on the Flipkart website is stored on this server in a database. So whatever the data which is shown on the Flipkart website, may that be the seller's detail, may that be the buyer's detail, may that be the user's detail, may that be the things that are being sold over the website, all those are stored in this server. And whenever you request this server, an instance is created onto your browser. So this is how a client-server model works. Then comes a peer-to-peer model. In the client-server model, I would like to give you another example. The communication between two devices over here is not direct. So for example, let's say there is a messaging app like WhatsApp. So if you're trying to send a message, let's say that you are A and you have a friend B. If you're trying to send a message from A to B, it will go through the server. So your message will be first transferred to the server, and then it will be transferred to another friend, your friend, which is B. And same goes with C as well. So whenever you are communicating on a WhatsApp or any other application which uses the client-server model, every message goes through your server, right? But you are not communicating directly. In case of peer-to-peer model, each client, or here we say them node, we refer them by node. We say that this is node A, this is node E, this is node D, this is node C, and this is node B. Here these are called client and server, and here they are called nodes. So each node is directly communicating with each other. So let's say that this is your device, this is your laptop, and this is your friend's laptop. So if you want to communicate with each other, you want to share some files with each other, you can directly communicate with each other without the interference of a server. So direct communication is possible when in peer-to-peer model. So I've already given an example for client-server model, which is WhatsApp, which is websites like Flipkart, Zomato. Most of the games that you play, all those are built over client-server models. Whereas one such example for peer-to-peer model is torrent. So like you use a torrent, you share your file. When you share your file, it is directly transferred to the second laptop that you are using. So direct communication is there. So torrent is one of the examples of peer-to-peer model. So both the models have their own advantages and disadvantages. The client-server model is actually faster than peer-to-peer model. So any application which is built on client-server model is actually faster than peer-to-peer model. In client-server model, the response time is very less. So the website uploads or website loads very faster. Whereas in peer-to-peer model, it is quite slow. On the other hand, if we see that the peer-to-peer model has another use case, which is blockchain, and compared to client-server model, the blockchain is more secure. So both have their own advantages, and one should check what use case they want to follow. Many distributed systems are built on peer-to-peer model. They do not follow the client-server model. So if you have any doubt related to this topic or any query, feel free to reach out to me. Feel free to comment on this video, and if you liked it, please like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you.